What's up, guys? I'm Kevin from Ace of Decks. Today we got a very special project. We got some beautiful cars here. As you guys can see, this is a unique project because we installed some screens on the garage. Car guys really love to wash their cars and keep them protected. So for this project, we installed some retractable screens so that the homeowner can wash his car, keep it protected from bugs and the dust. All right, guys, now that we showed you the garage and the cars, we're in the master bedroom to a nice transition into a beautiful balcony. When the homeowner reached out to us, he wanted to screen this place in because, as you can see behind me, there's a wooded area, and with the wooded area comes a lot of bugs. So we enclosed all three sides of this space, and here in the middle, we installed a 23-foot screen, which when the homeowner was reaching out to a couple other companies, everyone wanted to put a post in the middle because their screens only span 20 feet. So we came in, installed a very heavy duty screen across the front and screened the space in. As you can see, the screens drop. They have a rubber seal here at the bottom, so it seals the space in completely. Now the homeowner can hang out here, relax, not have to worry about the bugs, and enjoy the space. So that's it, guys, for this project. We got the garage done, we got the balcony done. Until next time, Ace out.